Greetings everybody and welcome back to Janbei tutorial. Today we're diving into the world of Android browser maintenance. I will be your guide as we explore 3 savvy methods to ensure your Google Chrome stays sleek, secure and up to date. Let's harness the power of tech evolution together. First of all, you need to go to your Chrome browser. So this is the home page of Chrome browser. Now at the top right corner you can see 3-dot button. Just tap on it. So if you need to update your Chrome browser, there will be a button for updating it. So you can see that my Chrome browser is already up to date, so I no need to do that. So the second method is you have to go to the Play Store and simply you have to go to the search bar and search for Chrome browser. Okay, now enter into the Chrome browser and you can see there are 2 options, uninstall and open. So if there is a need of updating your Google Chrome browser, there will be an update button instead of open button. So you can easily update from there. And another way is if you just go to the home page, there will be a icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now there will be many options here. Just tap on manage apps and device. Now at the second option you can see updates available. You just tap on see details and there will be all the application available here which should be updated, and from here you can easily update any of the app, not only Google browser. So those are the 3 ways. Hope this video helps, and if this video helps, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.